Vision sensors are equipped on the front, back, bottom, and sides of the Mavic 2. Power on the aircraft. Connect the drone to your PC with a USB cable. Launch DJI Assistant 2 and select Mavic 2. Click Calibration on the left to watch the tutorial. Click Next and click Calibration now. Adjust the aircraft's position so the green rectangle is covered by the red one. Keep the aircraft in its current position. Slowly move the aircraft to make the rectangle move along with the blue background. After calibrating the forward vision sensors, a prompt will pop up. Click Start Downward Camera Calibration to continue. Calibrate the backward vision sensors. After the backward vision sensors are calibrated, please first fold the back arms and then calibrate the side vision sensors following the on-screen instructions. After the operations, DJI Assistant 2 will automatically perform the calibration calculation. After the vision calibration is complete, please restart the aircraft. Thank you for watching.